All the files that you need are in the description below, so just download the patcher that I put there. It's the first link in the bio, and unzip those files. And then when they're unzipped, you're gonna scroll down to where it says Win Install, and you're gonna right click it and run it as administrator. So this is gonna take some time, so let it do its thing, boy.
Oh yeah.
Just go grab water. Alright, now you can close that window down. So now you're gonna open up VMware Workstation, and you're gonna open up a new machine. Alright, create new virtual machine. And you're gonna go with the typical settings, except for a few differences. So click next, and then you're gonna click Apple macOS, OSX, whatever. And you can name it whatever you want. You can name it Jim, Greg, macOS. I name mine macOS Mojave. And it's very important that you remember where you're saving your virtual machine, because that's gonna come up later. So just remember where you saved it to, and then you're gonna go ahead and click next. So with your maximum disk size, ideal is 80 gigabytes, but I like to have my machine run faster, so I put mine at about 100. You can do yours anywhere between that range, but I like mine to run faster.
It's actually how much storage space.
And then you're gonna go ahead and store the virtual
disk.
disk as a single file, and then click next. And those are all your settings. So if you want to look over those, you can go ahead and do that. I'm set already. So now you're gonna click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings, and you're gonna click on memory, and you want that bad boy to be at 8 gigabytes. Or 8192 megabytes. That's gonna let it run nice and smooth. And the processors, you want 2 processors, so you're gonna have 4 total cores. That's gonna help it run smoothly. Now you're gonna click CD, DVD, SATA, and then use ISO image file, and you're gonna open up that second file that's in the description. That's your disk image file. So macOS Catalina. All right. And you're gonna go to USB controller. Some of them have USB 3.0, but 3.1 is just fine. And just close that bad boy down. And then close down VMware Workstation. And now remember when I told you that it's very important to remember where you saved your virtual machine? You're gonna go ahead and navigate to where you saved it to. So for me, it's right here. And I had created an extra folder by accident, don't mind me. So you're gonna click on that third one. Hopefully it's that third one, but it's the VMware virtual machine one. Right click that, and then you're gonna open with NotePad. Or if you have it like a favorable text editor, you can open it with that too. And just scroll all the way down and type in smc.version space equals space quote 0 unquote. It's very important that you have those spaces there. And then when you're done with that, you can close it and then save, or you can just save it and then close that window down, and then open up VMware Workstation again and open up your machine. You're gonna power it on. So at this point, you've basically set up your Mac. If you've ever had a Mac before, you don't really need to watch past this. But if you haven't, just follow this. So you select your language. Mine is English, of course. And it's gonna load up. And click on Disk Utility. And then continue. And now at the very top, it's going to say VMware Virtual SATA hard drive media. And this is what you want to do. You're going to erase it at the top, and then name your Mac whatever you want to Mac it. Name it. Say? You know what I meant. And then you're going to go ahead and click on erase. And give that some time to do its thing. And click done, and you can close the disk utility window. close that bad boy down and install macOS. Click that, click continue. And of course, it's gonna ask you all these little things. Do you agree? So hit continue here. Now, if you disagree, believe it or not, it's not gonna let you set up. So you gotta hit agree and then select the disk, hit install, and give that some time. You can go, it's gonna take a while. You can go look out the window. You can contemplate if this reality is really real or if we're on a simulation. You can call your father that left you at 5 years old and hope for the best and hope that he comes back into your life. And somehow, even though he's not in your life, he has such a great big impact on your life. Anyways, choose your country. I'm in the States, so I'm going to select the States and then hit continue. And you're on from there. It's all go. So I'm glad you guys watched this video. If you enjoy and find useful these videos, click on a like, leave a comment, subscribe, show your love. I'm not really going to be pushing for these though, but it's always nice to see that I'm able to help somebody out. So yeah, much love. This is too wavy. Oh yeah, and this is optional. It's up to you.